Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts restaurant style. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, active dry yeast, and a pinch of salt. Make sure your milk is warm to between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, have your butter softened and eggs at room temperature. This preparation ensures a smooth mixing process and a perfect dough consistency for delicious donuts. Now, let's get our dough ready. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients. Then, gradually add the warm milk, melted butter, and eggs, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot until it has doubled in size. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and turn it onto a lightly floured surface. Roll the dough out to about 1/2 inch thickness. Use a donut cutter or 2 different sized round cutters to create your donut shapes and holes. Carefully transfer these shaped donuts to a parchment-lined baking sheet. Cover them loosely and let them rise again for 30 to 45 minutes or until visibly puffy. It's time to fry these beauties. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are golden brown and cooked through. Remove them with a slotted spoon and drain on a wire rack. While still warm, dip them in your favorite glaze. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.